What if I told you you could earn $2 just by clicking a button and watching a simple video? And what if you could do this over and over again, making anywhere from $10 to $200? There are no limitations. The best part is you can do this with your smartphone or computer with no investment. This is 100% free strategy, available anywhere in the world. You can start earning money right away because I'll show you how to do this step by step. You can instantly withdraw money with your PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, along with other methods. Also, I have a special bonus for you at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss an important part. I'll give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot so you can double your potential earning. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel where I'll be teaching you the most making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, press the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Hello guys, this is McIntyre here. Welcome to this video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm about to show you tons of websites and apps that will help you generate tons of money online just by watching videos, and you can do this on total autopilot. You don't have to do this manually, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, so make sure you pay close attention to this. The first app I'm going to show you is called featurepoints.com, so where you can make tons of money just by doing simple tasks, as in watching videos. As you can see, this is available on Apple Store and Google Play as well. As you can see, this app has been around since 2012. This website is 100% real and is going to help you earn tons of money online. All you have to do is download this app on your smartphone or iPhone, then you can start earning money right away. As you can see, there's tons of payments methods out there. You can see PayPal, gift cards, Amazon gift card, PayPal gift card, and many others. And it's very easy to sign up for this app. All you have to do is enter your email over here, then you can sign up right away, or you can just simply download it on your phone. Make sure you confirm your email after you sign up. That way you can activate your payment. The second app I'm going to show you is called appnana.com. It's also available on your Apple devices and Android as well. All you have to do is click over here and download it on your phone. As you can see, this app is going to pay you through gift cards and also your bank account. You will get $10 instantly right after you sign up for this website. All you have to do is do simple tasks online. You can watch videos on background. You can do whatever you want while you run it on the background. You don't have to sit down and watch it. You can literally watch TV or do whatever you're doing as long as you're running it on the background. And it's very simple to sign up. All you have to do is click over here. All you have to do is download this app and sign up right away so you can start earning money. Third app I'm going to show you is called mypoints.com, where you can get instantly $10 right after you sign up. As you can see, it's going to pay you through gift cards, Amazon gift card, also Visa gift card as well. It's very easy to sign up for this website. You type your email over here, then you create a password and you join for this website. Another app I'm going to show you, it's called apptrailers.com. It's available on Google Play. You can simply download it and start earning money. All you have to do is complete some simple tasks online, like watching videos, surveys, play games, but you can just watch videos on background so you do not have to do anything manually. That way you can make the most money online. You can open as many tabs as you want on computer. That way you'll double your potential earning. The last app I'm going to show you, and it's very easy to sign up for this website. Type your email over here, create a password, and you verify your password. Then you choose your country over here. Then you can literally sign up for this website. You can get $5 bonus right after you sign up for this website. It's very simple. All you have to do is watch videos online, and that way you earn tons of money. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you find it helpful, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, stay safe.